How many friendships were left unfinished in me? How much loneliness grew in silence? How many loves ran out? If only you knew. Only you never faded in me, mother. You did not remain in my childhood. You remained in me. The deepest shelter I still have. You are my greatest constancy, mother. As a person grows older, he does not become more, he becomes less. Even in the middle of crowds, there is always a place inside that stays deserted. That is how I remained, silent among words, lost among faces. But the road that leads to you was never erased. You are the sorrow of my aging life that never quiets, the steady light of my weary days. In this world full of pain, grief, and emptiness, you are my unshaken truth, my life, mother. In this life where even love is weighed, I was always measured as too little. Since the day I lost your voice, something in me has been an evening that never ends, mother. So I would not forget your scent. I took refuge in the nights, without speaking your name. I kept turning back to you, within myself. In the quietest place of my dreams, you are the only guest who knocks on my door, mother. If I could, I would climb the highest hills and cry out to those who are lost in the rush of life, to those who leave an embrace for tomorrow. I would say, do not wait too long. One day, what you will search for most will be only a voice, a warmth, a scent, that old piece of a hand resting on your shoulder, and none of it will ever return. Mother, you are gone. I grew up, but I remained incomplete. Hmm.